Hey guys, I'm going to attempt a pizza crust using these three ingredients. Normally I would use mozzarella and an egg with almond flour and then season it, but I'm going to actually use this instead of almond flour and see how it goes. I already crushed these in here, and so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so there's a half a cup of mozzarella and a bag of the Shrewd pizza puffs, and they are crushed. And then now I'm going to go ahead and add my egg. Alright guys, this is what it's going to look like. I now have it on parchment paper and a pizza pan, and I'm going to go ahead and press this down and make it into a pizza crust. Alright guys, since this is purely experimental, when I rolled out the dough, it was kind of small. So what I did is I added another 1/4 cup of mozzarella, and now it gave me a fairly bigger pizza size that I'd like. So I'm going to change the recipe. I'll put everything at the end of the video, but it did end up being 3/4 cup of mozzarella, a bag of the Shrewd Brick Oven Pizza Puffs, crushed, and an egg. Well, hello there guys. Pizza crust is out of the oven. It went in at 350 for 15 minutes. I decided to pull it out because I don't want it too overdone, because I'm going to put it back in the oven when I put all the toppings on it. So, but look at this. Just took it out right when it was like browning on the edges. It smells amazing. And you guys, this is experimental, so I am making a barbecue chicken pizza tonight, and I'll keep you posted on how it turns out. Alright guys, one more sneak peek. I just wanted to show you the bottom of this. It's just really amazing here. So I'm sure it will crisp up a little bit more, and I think I'm going to use my pizza pan that has the little holes in it for this, for when I heat it up again. There you go.